artists with epilepsy. His seizures can be quite sudden, where his body suddenly stiffens and then he starts to shake. This is known as a tonic-clonic seizure. If someone you were with had a seizure, would you know what to do? Would you know what not to do? Knowing how to respond with basic first aid can help keep the person safe. Witnessing a seizure can be frightening. It is important that you remain calm. If the person is lying face down, or if there is any food or liquid in their mouth, roll them onto their side immediately. Otherwise, roll them onto their side when the jerking stops. Do not try to move them, unless they're in immediate danger. Remove any objects on or around them that may cause injury. Protect their head by placing something soft under it. Time the seizure. An epileptic seizure typically lasts less than 2 minutes. Do not put anything in the person's mouth. Do not try to restrain the person. Observe what is happening to the person during the seizure. Observe what parts of their body are affected and how they are affected. Monitor their breathing and skin color. Make sure you stay with them and reassure them until they have fully recovered. This is Mei Lin and her family. Mei Lin has focal seizures where she may suddenly appear confused or show inappropriate responses or confused behavior. Begin by checking for a response. If they are non-responsive, time the seizure. Protect them from harm, but do not restrain them. Stay with them and observe their behavior. The person may be confused and tired when the seizure ends. Note how long the seizure lasts. Gently reassure them until they have recovered. You will need to call an ambulance if